2025 Toyota Corolla. Yeah, pretty much brand new car. I think it's got a couple thousand miles on it, but it's a salvage. Been kind of fixed. Kind of. What a beauty. Now I have to fix the wiring on it. Well, that's the headlight. Luckily, maybe I'm gonna get lucky with that headlight. Maybe. This one's supposed to be fog light. Maybe. But another problem here. This is the wires. You cannot get there. You cannot remove the bumper because, yeah, it's been drive all screws from here, then somebody patched it up, glue the light back in it, and how the hell am I supposed to get to the wire? The wire is right there. Okay, maybe I can get to this one. Oh, what a beautiful body work on a brand new car. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Everything was good until somebody fixed it.